You think you've mastered the art of the silent sneeze, but instead it explodes like a foghorn in the library. Everyone turns to stare, and suddenly you're the star of an unplanned show. Sneezing stealthily is harder than it looks, and when it goes wrong, it's pure comedy gold. Whether you're at work, school, or just trying to keep it cool in public, loud sneezes are impossible to ignore. They're awkward, hilarious, and sometimes even embarrassing. Have you ever been caught off guard by your own sneeze? Share your loudest sneeze story in the comments and spread the sniffly chaos with friends who understand. Laughbox, sneezing wild.